Okay, this week we did Kashi CTF, and in this video we're going to look at Self Destruct, EasyJal and EasyJal 2. We've downloaded the files and we're going to start with Self Destruct, as that is a relatively simple one. So we first of all want to search for strings it, and then grep -i just in case the cases are all over the place for the Kashi CTF. That's going to take a minute. And there you can see at the bottom it's got flag 1 part here, so we then look for flag part, and again that'll take a minute. And you can see it's got some interesting stuff here. We've copied that to a notepad and tidied it up a bit, and you can see here is the flag. Next we go on to EasyJal 1, and I'm going to extract those two challenge files now. Then we're going to open challenge, and then we're going to open the test file here, the Python script. And it looks like it's just a simple enough basic Python JAL that you need to break out of. So for the first JAL, I think most of the commands would work. If we just I actually found one that worked on the local machine, but then didn't go ahead and work on the actual challenge. So I think this is the one that ended up working on the challenge here. So let's test that live and see if we can get the flag. So we've connected on, and we're here with the read all. Excellent, so that actually does work. And then from there we want to see where we are. I mean, you can use any Linux command now, but just have a look around. So we're in the challenge folder, so then we're back a directory, and then we can see the file we want, and then I just catted the file back a directory, and there's your flag. Okay, so now we're going to boot up EasyJal 2. Okay. So we want to look at this one because it's a little bit different. I didn't look at the first one. We should have probably looked at that. Did we look at it? Oh, yeah, we did. Okay, so the second one, they've banned some words which kind of messes up our first command. And then I went through and looked through various sort of tutorials, old capture the flags, and we ended up finding something. It's not quite the same challenge, but it worked enough, and I've seen something like this before, so it sort of jogged my memory. So you go through and you can start building up your command to get to this location. So the best way is going to be to connect to the server and just show you how I got there, because it took a few steps. It's going to be a bit quicker now, but so from the tutorial I was going through, you can run this command here, and then you want to find your io.io base. It took a bit of trial and error, but eventually when you find the correct number, so you can just go through them until you find what you need. Then you know you're there. After that, we're going for the raw IO base. This was a bit simpler because I believe there was only 3 or so of the next options. So if you can see, now we've gone down an extra subclasses, and we started at 0, and you can even actually remove that entirely if you want to see what's in there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Anyway, you can do that then again and again and again until you get to FileIO, which lets you read files. Now we know where the flag is in the last challenge, so we just looked in the same location, flag.txt, and there's your flag.